The Footy Show.
What the f***? We've been hacked. We'll have to reboot this bloody thing again.
The Footy Show Stakes. Brought to you by Watts & Co. Canned pork meat.
At the track, just waiting for the Olympic opening ceremony to finish. Oh, bugger this! Bring out the real entertainment! That's more like it! Racing, out first is Josh Kennedy on Coleman Favourite, followed by Damien Hardwick on We're As Good As Any Finals team. Still no sign of James Kelly though. At the turn, some Olympic rowers have been blown off course by the atrocious conditions. Oh, the same thing's happened to Orlando Bloom. Oh, there's a drama with the Collingwood party bus. Keanu Reeves now steering it. Seems there's a bomb on board. If the team tackles drop below 71 again, it's going to blow. Justin Lepich looking for a new contract for looking more like the Walking Dead. Making a late run, it's the St Kilda Party Tram. And making a late run for the tram is James Kelly. Again from home, it's Matt Horton, turned sprinter. It's Orlando Bloom, giving James Kelly a lift. Hold the phone. It's the Batmobile going past everyone, folks. And it's gone.
Oh, not again. Fuck.